Hey there, welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing. In this video, we're answering your questions about Ferrer Squads, our specialized marketing teams designed to deliver efficiency, strategy, and real results. Let's break it down. How do Ferrer Squads ensure marketing efficiency without wasting money? Each Ferrer Squad is made up of certified specialists in every key area of digital marketing. They use proven strategies and data-driven decisions, so every move is targeted and efficient. No guesswork, no waste, just results that make your budget work harder. What are the advantages of having a multidisciplinary team taking care of my business? A multidisciplinary team brings together experts in content, design, media, data, and more. You get well-rounded strategies, with every area working together toward the same goal. That means more cohesion, better performance, and smarter execution across the board. How does Ferrer Squad shared planning benefit my project? Shared planning means you're always in the loop. We keep you informed and involved in strategic decisions, so everything we do aligns with your goals. It's transparent, collaborative, and built around your vision. How do Ferrer Squads help reduce costs in digital marketing? By focusing on what really works. Our squads manage your budget efficiently, optimizing every ad and adjusting campaigns in real time. That means less waste, fewer surprises, and more value from every investment. Want a smarter way to manage your digital marketing? Work with a Ferrer Squad. Reach out today, or check out the next video in this playlist to see what we can do together. Thanks for watching, and welcome to Ferrer Digital Marketing.